Hi guys, today we're going to talk about our experiment, which is slime science. Our team consists of me, Claire, Jenny, and Kristine here from class 8.1 Wellspring Saigon International Bilingual School. So basically, everyone has known about slime, a super hot trend that started in 2015, but lack of people knowing why the borax makes the glue become a solid mixture, though putting water into glue still a liquid mixture. So today, our purpose of this experiment is to compare two different reactions, which are mixing the glue with borax and mixing glue with water. So in this experiment, we're going to mix the things and analyze the happens. As we have said at the beginning, this experiment's purpose is to explain the phenomenon of mixing glue with borax and water. Because when we mix glue with water, we can see that glue does not become a solidistic mixture, but when we mix it with borax, it gradually becomes a solidistic mixture. But if we just see all the experiments protocols, we cannot analyze exactly what happens to the mixtures. Therefore, we decide to combine it with some chemical equations to conclude the phenomenon. And here's some research questions.
What will the glue be like when we mix it with water or borax, and are there any changes between both of it? And for the hypothesis, when we mix the glue with borax, they will condense and become slime. But when we mix the glue with water, they will not condense and become slime like borax. And about a material, we need two transparent bowls or containers. Both are except a spoon and 100 milliliter of water and 100 milliliter of glue, borax, and you also can use the borax powder, but using a borax liquid is more convenient.
And here's all the steps of our experiment. Step 1, make sure to prepare all the materials full and ready. Step 2, pour the glue into two transparent bowls. Step 3, pour a bit water into one of the two bowls and use a spoon to mix it. Step 4, pour the borax into another bowl and use a spoon to mix it. Step 5, mix up both of them until seeing the changes between both of it. And finally, conclude the experiment. And you have to remember that make sure you use the same glue and the amount of it has to be the same too, so we could easily compare the differences. Here's our experiment. So first we pour the glue into the first bowl, and then we pour water into the glues and mix them together. As we can see, here's the result of mixing glue with water. It's still a liquid mixture. So secondly, we pour the glue into the second bowl and then add borax liquid and mix them together. So here, as we can see, the result of mixing glue with borax, the mixture become a solid.
As like we guessed before, the borax make the glue condense and the water didn't. So here's the formula for two experiment. And for the conclusion, the glue has long, flexible molecules in it called polymers, and these polymers molecules lie past each other as a liquid. Borax in water forms an ion called the borate ion. When the borax solution is added to the glue solution, the borate ions help link the long polymer molecules to each other so they cannot move and flow as easily. When enough polymer molecules get hooked together in the right way, the glue solution changes from being a very liquidy to a rubbery kind of stuff that we call slime. So our hypothesis is correct.
Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Thanks for listening and watching us. Don't forget to like and leave some comments below to support us having higher scores. Goodbye.